Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. I've got a different kind of a setting. I'm going to show you the cards also today. I wasn't feeling well, so I'm doing the reading. I'm just going to show you the cards. This is what is coming towards you in the coming week. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you're going to see it is the time you were meant to hear these messages. So I'm going to start with what's coming, towards you this week. So the first thing is some important news. Some important news. It could be job related. I get a lot of I get job related, and six number. I also get three number. So if you were born on third of any of the months or sixth, or your birth date is sixth on any of the months, I feel there is some good news coming your way, and you've been waiting for this news for quite a while. That's what I feel. Also, getting a news somewhere near, I don't know, there are a lot of trees and there's a lot of greenery. So there's a news or a letter that's coming to you from a place that is very green with a lot of greenery, is what I get. I wanted to pick this card up. There will be new beginnings in your life, but I feel that you need to wait 8 days or more for the new beginning. So whenever you're hearing this reading, please add 8 days from the time you're listening to this reading. I feel if you're involved with an alphabet A, K, R, M, or J, they're going to, send you a message, or they're going to propose to you. And if your name begins with P, I feel pregnancy is on the way, and you will conceive this year, or probably sooner than that. So those messages, whatever the good news you will get, you'll get to know about it in 7 days or a little more. I want to say 9 days. So this is for the coming week whenever you're going to hear it. But please, I feel after 7 days that you will get to know that you are pregnant, or somebody's going to propose you, or somebody's going to propose to you. If you're a water sign, I feel you're not very happy with the job, you're not very happy in your relationship, there is more that you want. It's even if you're doing a business, I think not happy with the current status, you want to earn more money, you want to get more money out of your business, and not really happy with what's going on in your life. I also feel a bit of a change in the strategy, even if it's a love situation or a money situation, any kind of situation, especially if you're a Cancer sign or a Piscean. I feel you're going to change your strategy related to business. That's what I feel. I feel that also news coming from from a place which is near water, a land near water. There was some kind of a news or a letter that has to come in, but hasn't come in yet, and you have been waiting for it. I feel the wait, you have to wait for 2 more weeks, and that's the time when you will hear about your job or whatever. If your loved one is away, your loved one stays in a place near water, you haven't seen the person, so some kind of news is going to come from that person, or it could be some kind of a message, or just to say hi, I'm fine, how are you. I feel that. A new beginning. I feel if you wanted to change a job and you are really fed up of your job, and I get especially with a number one and a number 10, your new job will come in. I want to say after 3 months. So whenever you're hearing this reading, please add 3 months to it, and I feel you will change your job, but it will take 3 months. It's not going to happen very soon, and 3 months is the time it will take. One more card from this reading. Yes, a choice between two things, but like I'm saying, the choice between two things, one thing is going to be much better. So if you have a choice between two jobs, one job will be much better. It's not going to take you time to make a decision. I don't know why I want to say this. Even if it is a love decision, it's between this and that, or should I stay or should I go, you're not going to take much time deciding about it, and you already processing this information in your mind, and soon you will take a decision, and you'll know which way to go with I with and because this decision is going to be easy. It's not going to be a decision, when yeah, it's kind of, the same kind of money, is it two jobs, or whatever it is, the decision will be really easy, and you'll be very quick to make the decision. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. This doesn't sit in the reading. I want to take out this. Just take care of your parents. Anybody who's old in your house. I want to say 65 plus, 67 plus. I want you to take care of them, because I don't think they're feeling well, and they're also looking for you. You've not visited them, or you've not called them, or you need to ask them how they're feeling, and they really want to. They want you to reach out to them. it's almost like a dad or a mom, look, or waiting for someone to call, waiting for the loved one to call, and you've not asked how you're feeling. So guys, if your parents are not feeling well, grandparents, parents, please reach out to them. They really want to see you, or they really want to hear from you, even if you're far away and you can't, travel that far, or if you're busy in your job or whatever you're doing. I feel you really have to go and meet them, or at least call them. I'm going to change my deck. I'm going to tell you what are the what all messages do I get for the health. Any health messages I want to give. This is for the coming week. Divine life purpose. A lot of you are confused about your life purpose. A lot of you are asking yourself, what is my life purpose? What path should I follow? I feel really wanting to know these answers. And I feel a few of you, or one of you, have actually picked up a book which tells you about, what is past life and why were you born. And, you actually reading those kinds of books is what I get. So you are trying to find your divine life purpose. You still haven't found your divine life purpose, and I think, guys, that's what's troubling you. And you've been going to different people. I also feel going to someone who puts you, who tells you about what is your life purpose, and reaching out to people who actually heal you and tell you this is you need to do this in your life, or probably not feeling too uh, happy about you are generating wealth, there is money in your situation, but I feel still, you're looking for something that really makes you feel happy, and money is not really making you feel happy. Any kind of ceremonies or celebrations that you were waiting for will take time. I feel anything after the seventh month, whenever you're listening to the reading, will be a time for celebration, and that's a better time for celebration. So whatever, probably it's a job or a love situation, something you wanted to celebrate, do it after 7 months, not now, because right now is not the time for you. That's what I get. And I want you to work with the purple, pink, and gold. Those would be good colors for you because they are very similar. I also feel two people trying to reach out to each other. Uh, I feel giving your heart to each other and not sure about it. I think you two are friends or colleagues, or the situation is something similar where you two are in talking terms, but you don't know if the other person loves you. So you're still wondering if you should tell them how you feel. So I really feel you should talk to them. You should have a heart to heart conversation. You should be open about it, and you should express your feelings. Sometimes I don't take a card. I don't think it sits. Let me see what's the card. Love life. You're not very happy with your love life. I get number 6, number 8, and number 10 are not really happy with their love life. They are wondering what's happening. They are all confused. I feel getting very confused in with your partner. You really don't know how to feel, or how the person is making you feel. There is some kind of a confusion in your mind, because I feel the mind chakra also totally full, and it's very heavy, and a lot of things going out in your mind. The person is confusing you. The person you're involved with is confusing you, really, and you don't know what he or she wants in a relationship. Sometimes the person is serious, sometimes the person is non-committal. So you're also, swinging like a pendulum, and you don't know which way to go. Or is it a serious relationship? Should you wait for the person, or the person just wants to be friend? So something about your love life is really confusing you. You don't know how much the person loves you, and you are asking questions yourself and answering the questions yourself only, all the questions that you have in mind. A lot of you who are dealing with work or anything else, or they want to transform themselves. I don't know why I want to say a transformation card. This is not a transformation card, but I want to say transformation. I feel you want to change something about yourself. It's your weight, it's your appearance, or I feel you've just set a goal very recently, and that's what you want to achieve. And I want to say, do it step by step. Don't just jump and say, I need to complete this in 10 days, which is totally unachievable. So it is good to sometimes try to do the impossible. In this one, the transformation should be taken step by step, because a lot of times losing too much weight together is not also a good thing. So guys, just take care of that. If you want to drop weight, or if you want to transform yourself, don't do a drastic thing. I want to say, go step by step, or set your milestones right. I want to say your health, you need to take care of your health. A lot of people not taking care of their health, working too much, multitasking at home, doing office work, doing too many things right now. feeling stressed in the situation, and that's affecting your health, happiness, and everything else. And only when you take a gentle approach towards work, I think towards work also you need to take a gentle approach. It can't be that you can build castles in a day. It's good to build castles in a day in your dreams, but I don't know why I want to say this, but you guys have been pushing yourselves too much beyond the limits. Okay, it like probably these two cards belong in the reading. This one says take care of your health, and don't push yourself too much. That's what this one is saying. Progress, not perfection. So go step by step, guys, and you'll achieve what you want to achieve. But if you push yourself too hard, sometimes we snap, and our energy snap. It's not good for us, and then we fall ill, and we cannot really achieve what we wanted to achieve. Value your self-worth. A lot of you not feeling really valued, and that's by your own self. Probably that's how somebody else made you feel, that you're not really good enough for them, or you're not really good at work. I get a lot of relationship thing in it, that you're not really good enough for me. Since the time you've come into my life, things are not right. So somebody is questioning you, and you are questioning yourself, and you're not realizing your self-worth. And I want you to realize your self-worth. I want you to work on yourself. I think that's the most important thing. You've got to work on yourself. When you feel better, that's the time you can, you will have more confidence, and you'll be much happier about yourself. Let me see what is the other cards. What are the other cards? I think I'm going to change the deck. That's all. I'm going to pick up Moonology cards. So it's good you can see the cards today. A lot of you not looking at the bigger picture because it's come reversed. And I want to say November, in the coming month, I'm just taking the name of the month November, because I really feel it's for November. In November, look at the bigger picture, not at the smaller picture. So you might be missing something bigger that there is in store for you, and you just might look at something very tiny, very small. You probably focusing on very small things, and you're not focusing on something that requires bigger attention. So look at the big picture. If you look at the big picture, I think luck is going to be on your side. That's what I get. A lot of you July bonds are feeling if your loved one is safe or not. You feeling that if your parents are feeling fine, if your siblings are feeling fine. I think you're worrying about everybody. If you were born in July, that's especially for you. That's for Cancerians. That's what I feel. Worrying about the world, and not taking care of yourselves. It's like you've just been worrying about everybody's health around you, and that will affect you. For a lot of you, end of a tough cycle, especially for number 4, number 2, and number 20. Number 20 is also number 2. So I get the tough cycle is going to end soon. I get in November or December. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you're hearing it, and if November and December are approaching, so take the next December if the November and December have gone by. So I feel a tough cycle is ending. There is something you've been really working hard on. I also get earth signs, especially earth signs were feeling like this, that things are not going my way. I'm putting in a lot of hard work, but still I am getting nothing out of it. So if you're an earth sign, I want you to remember that it is okay. Things will get easy. Life is always not so bad. Things will ease out, and things will be more effortless. So whenever things will be more effortless. And in the coming week, I want to say that in about 4 days, you're going to feel much better about something, and and whatever was troubling you it will be resolved very easily. I also get whenever you're going to hear this reading, so after 2 days, you are going to you're going to get a news or something that wasn't resolving. I get a resolve again and again. So even in 2 days, I feel whenever you're listening to this, things will be resolved on its own. So for a lot of you, you will really not have to put any hard work, and things will get resolved. I'm going to give you some kind of, I'm going to give you what color is good for you in the coming week. Whenever you're listening to this, for 7 days, you can use that color. You can write with that pen, like I always say. Red is going to be fantastic for you, okay? Let me see if a charm comes out. Yeah, you can draw a seahorse, or you can think about a seahorse. Seahorse is going to be lucky. Anything to do with water. I get blue color is also going to be very lucky for you, and green will also be great. I also want to give what numbers will be important for you, so I use the dice. Seven number is good for you guys, and in the coming week, it's seven again. So everything is around seven will happen in 7 days. So this is great. Everything is around seven right now. Like I said, let me see the third time. Oh no, six also came, but yes. So six and seven are good numbers for you. Remember that. And let me see what other messages. I've got my romance angel cards. Maybe I can end with a nice two, three love reading. So I'm going to add two love messages for you. So this might or might not resonate, guys. Remember, this is a general reading, like I always say. Separation. So sorry, guys. I get for a few of you it's separation. If you were thinking that should I leave the person, or somebody is just broken off with you and you are feeling the separation, or somebody suddenly turned cold and you're not liking it, and you've not heard from the person, and I feel there is a separation coming, guys. So and I don't know why I want to say this, but I think you're ready for it, and you also know that uh, there is some time apart that you need to spend with from the partner. I also feel two lovers being separated because you can't meet right now. I also feel two people taking a break from each other. They want to understand where life is taking them. There are other things that they need to sort out. So there is certain kind of separation. It could be temporary. I get permanent too. But yes, I feel for a few of you, if separation was on your mind and if you were thinking, so see, I told you this is give your relationship another chance, and it's come reversed. So I think you're not going to give that relationship another chance, guys. So this is what's going to happen. There is going to be a separation, and you are not going to give the other person a chance. So this is what's coming up for you whenever you're going to listen to this reading. And I really think that the person who's listening to this understands that yes, there is a separation. You wanted to give a chance, you gave a chance, but it didn't work out, and you're actually thinking of separation, or probably a few months apart or something. And I think you're going to talk to your partner about this soon, and could be in 7 days. So that was your reading, guys. Thank you so much for listening to it. I'll be back with another reading, and I'll be back with a different kind of a reading. Thank you so much. Do leave your comments, do subscribe to my channel, and do hit the like button. And thank you so much for listening and spending time here. Thank you, guys. Good night.